Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to Social Studies class. So, today we'll be starting a new concept and a new chapter, that is, chapter number 8, our agriculture. So, let's get started. First of all, you all need to understand what is agriculture. It means cultivation of land. Agriculture is also known as the practice of cultivating and farming. I'm sorry. Agriculture is the practice of cultivating and farming animals, food, and other life forms that are used to sustain life. So, you can say that agriculture also includes horticulture, livestock rearing, and fishing. It provides food for people and raw materials for industries. More than half of Indians are farmers' children. Do you know this? This makes agriculture the main occupation in our country. Let's move further. So, let's now discuss types of crops. India has a favorable climate, fertile soil, and good irrigation facilities to grow many crops. The crops grown are of two types. Number one, food crops. Number two, cash crops. I'm sure you all will be studying this in your science subject as well. So let's discuss what are food crops. The crops which are grown to be eaten are called food crops. Some examples are rice, wheat, millets, pulses, etc. Of these, rice and wheat are the main crops. So if somebody asks you that what is the staple food of South India, you all know, children, we have done this. So it's the answer is rice. And what is the staple food of North India? Then it is wheat. Let's move further. I hope you all will remember the facts like this girl is remembering. So, what are cash crops? The crops which are grown to be used in industries or for sale in the market are called cash crops. The main cash crops are sugarcane, jute, cotton, tea, and coffee. Now you can see this particular flow chart where the cash crops are given like cotton, sugarcane, tobacco, oil seeds, and the pictures are also given on the left. And if you will see on the right, these are the food crops. If you talk about wheat, rice, maize, barley, gram, all these are given on the screen. Let's move further. So let's talk about the difference between cash crops and food crops. This is an important question, children, which can come in your exam as well. So be prepared. So this is the difference, children. You can go for this difference. You can just consider your book as well. Else you can just see this particular table. So now let's answer. Are you ready? Okay. So what is agriculture? Now you all might be knowing. You can answer this to your parents. Number two, why can people grow many crops in India? And number three, name the two main crops known to you. Just now we have discussed. I'm sure you all will be able to answer every question. Thank you, children. See you soon. Goodbye. Take care. Stay safe.